In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your listening assessment. So go to the Assessment Tools tab and then click Listening Results. Find your name here. And then you should be able to see your portfolio. Scroll past the first one and then go down to the second one. So this is the most recent one, which is a conversation between newcomers. Then you can open up your result. So when you take a look at the results, this is how you can analyze it. So first of all, we need to take a look at the indicators of ability. How many indicators are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 indicators of ability. The first one is understanding overall meaning. The second one is identifying details. The third one is interpreting feelings. The fourth one is identifying situations. And the last one is identifying vocabulary in context. So first of all, you want to take a look at the highlighted ones. So the highlighted ones means that you did not achieve these indicators. And let's take a look at why. So let's take a look at the first one. There are 3 questions, 1, 2, 3. So all of these questions are in blank. So that means that you got all of these questions correct. And you can take a look at the comments here. The second indicator of ability is identifying details. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 questions here. So if it's red, that means you did not achieve this indicator. So if there are 5 indicators of ability and you achieve 3 out of 5, that would not be over 70%. So each indicator has a different number of questions. You need to achieve 70% of those questions to achieve this indicator. So in this case, you can take a look at the 2 questions that you answered incorrectly. Next, interpreting feelings. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Now, it is possible to get half a mark here. So this person got half a mark because they answered the question correctly, but they did not explain the false statement correctly. But they still did enough to achieve this indicator. Next, let's take a look at identifying the situation. There are 3 questions, 1, 2, 3, but this person only answered 1 question correctly. So 1 out of 3 is not 70%. Take a look at the questions that you answered incorrectly. Finally, for the last indicator, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions. They answered 3 out of 4 correctly, which is higher than 70%. That means they got 1, 2, 3. 3 achieved. 3 out of 5 indicators. So 3 out of 5 indicators is 60%, which means that this person did not achieve this particular assessment. But it was 60%, which means that the instructor will also consider the other work that you've done in Moodle. So even though you did not achieve this specific assessment, as long as you achieve the other assessments, then you still have a chance to achieve the listening learning outcome. But the most important thing is that you read the comments to try to understand which questions you got wrong, and then to listen to your instructor in class to find out what questions you got wrong. You can also approach your teacher and ask them for more support.